One of the last things we're going to do today that helps a lot with blade efficiency is going to be the use of a chip brush. These also, of course, are at blackironparts.com, and that part number is a PWW 851316. Now, before we get started, as always, we're going to have our safety glasses and a set of gloves. And I'm going to walk y'all through a little bit about what we did before we get into the actual guide deinstallation and the reinstallations. Of course, as always, we went ahead and took the blade off the saw. And then with these style of machines, they're a hydraulic clamp. And so with the bundle vices that are on the back of the saw, it's hard to get the guides actually off the saw without really just go ahead and taking the guide clamp assemblies completely off the guide arms. So before you get started, remove your blade. Make sure that the hydraulics are turned off. That way that rear piston that pushes in that carbide pad against the blade will recess with the hydraulics off. And then I'll show y'all how to actually pull those guide clamps off the saw. Now, the big takeaway from this is that you don't want to move the upper part of the guide clamp, and that's going to be the screw that adjusts the height of the guide clamp assembly on the guide arm. As long as you remove the 4 bolts, and I did a little trick where we just zip tie the holes together, that way I know that that orientation does not move. The guide clamps should go back on the guide arms with no adjustments needed, and they should be in the right spot to allocate the blade in the correct orientation, and everything should go back in the same position. So let's go ahead and get started. So I'm going to show you how to install this 851316 chip brush onto this Hydmech 14. It's actually pretty straightforward. You're going to take a 3/4 inch wrench and a crescent wrench to hold the back assembly. Going to reach around here and just loosen this nut up. Take the nut off. You want to be careful because there's going to be a washer, a lock washer behind this, and there's also going to be a washer behind the chip brush itself, and we don't want to lose either one of them. I pull the chip brush off. Like I said, there's the washer. We'll pull him off, clean it off. Then we'll take our new chip brush from blackironparts.com. We'll put on the inside washer first, then our new chip brush, our lock washer, and our nut. And we'll tighten everything down. Now you successfully installed your new chip brush on your H14 machine. If you need any other aftermarket parts for your Hydmech, you can always log on to blackironparts.com. We have a wide variety of aftermarket guides for many major bandsaw manufacturers. We also carry coolant, chip brushes, and other aftermarket parts. I'm Austin Zimmerman, and thanks for watching. And remember, no middleman, no markup, no problem. Go direct.